Welcome to our captivating YouTube channel dedicated to the fascinating world of glass jar recycling. Here we are on a mission to ignite your creativity and environmental consciousness by showcasing a myriad of ingenious and practical ideas for repurposing glass jars. Immerse yourself in a treasure trove of Thai inspiration as we guide you through an array of innovative projects that span across various themes. From charming terrariums that brings a piece of nature indoors to clever kitchen storage solutions that declutter or beautify your space. Our videos offer detailed, easy to follow tutorials that cater to crafters of all skill levels. Our passionate team of upcyclers is communicated to showcasing you the limitless possibilities that glass jars offer. Witness the magical transformation as we turn discarded jars into exquisite candle holders, personalized gifts that convey heartfelt sentiments, and even chic bathroom organizers that combine functionality with aesthetics. Join our ever-growing community of like-minded individuals who are dedicated to making a positive impact on the planet through creative recycling. So hit the subscribe button